Hey guys, it's Ruth. I'm here with your History Mystery Monday. And today we have an object from the collection that the volunteers found, and we weren't quite sure what it is. I have an idea, but I wanted to get it out there to you guys and see what you think. So this is the object itself. The camera's not going to focus, so you're not going to be able to see the details that are on the blue piece, like these two blue squares that are up here. They look like little mazes, look like little markings or symbols. When I Google image search this, ink stick is what comes up. Typically, ink sticks were used obviously for drawing or calligraphy. They would take the ink stick and grind it against an ink stone with a small amount of water, and then it would produce, whatever you wanted to produce on paper. And it's just, it's super interesting. This came from, let me try to, can't move my hand in glove, show you guys it a little bit. Again, it's not going to focus, so you're not going to be able to see it. When I Google image search it, it says ink stick, but this really looks like it's made out of wood. My volunteer, Marian Carruthers, is telling me she really thinks it's made out of wood. They're typically made out of soot and animal glue, but I did see some charcoal wood ones online. Nothing I found looks exactly like this. I also found online that the blue markings are likely seals or stamps made that are specific to the maker or the company or studio that made this. This came actually out of a World War I bag, kit bag, that belonged to Hugh Beatty. This was donated by his daughter, Anita Mapes, back in 1995. The kit bag included ammo belt, shaving brush, a Bible, one of these. So at the moment I'm thinking it's an ink stick until someone proves me wrong. I did email the National World War I Museum in Kansas City just to see if they've ever seen anything like this before, coming back with a soldier, just to get an idea. But if you have any ideas, please let us know in the comments. It'd be very helpful. You'll be very helpful for this Mystery Monday. But that's all I have for today. I do want to say, don't forget the outside and sidewalk sale for the merchants in Chagrin Falls. You can head over to the Chagrin Falls Merchants Association social media pages with all the details of the stores that are participating. There's some great deals out there. You can win some cash prizes and other prizes if you participate. So check that out. And yeah, let us know if you have any ideas about this. And we'll see you next time. Bye.